Laravel project. Laravel new 5 Laravel 5 minute. Okay, let's create a React and build in authentication, paste in a test unit, PHP unit. Okay, yes. Okay, let's import Lara 5. Oh, Lara 4 minute. Okay, let's well, I need to create a category and post model migration and controller with validation. Okay, give this one, it will be great. Let's create a timing. This one rename first of all. One, no issue. Let's create reapply. What is this? Post, right? Let's set it Laravel 4 minute. PHP artisan make a model category. PHP artisan post, right? So let's apply. Go to post, copy, paste. All right, and then create app models. Yes, accept, and then go to the post model, create post model, accept, and then create controller, go to controller, accept. Okay, post, okay. We are using React Inertia, right? Everything is view React Inertia and post controller. And PHP artisan migrate controller, PHP artisan migrate. Yeah, everything fine. Okay, let's do this. All I need using Inertia React. Let's import. Let's create index with writing. Yes, apply for type 6. Let's just period category index, accept, same on go, create page, category create. Okay, and go to your edit, category edit, accept. Okay, and then apply this type is okay, and we need category resource in the web section and accept, and go to components, sidebar, app sidebar, add categories, post, create post also. Okay, let's post controller, accept, go to create type is okay, accept, wait, it's writing. Let's one by one. First of all, create post, accept, and then create post, accept, then go to edit post, accept, and then web route, accept. Okay, go to post model, accept, and then migrations, accepts, wait, and don't use this one, right? Let's remove. Okay, PSP artisan migrate fresh. Okay, create it and go here, Laravel 4. What are the project name? Composer run deep. See, let's register admin gmail.com, password, go to categories. Okay, and there is some table issues. Let's go to instruction for this one here, and component UI table. Okay, let's give to instruction table UI component not exist, make this. Okay, types not index dot, let's copy this one, code here, paste. Okay, let's create this one in the component UI, accept, and then let's see, click yes, created. Go to create, let's text area component not exist, go to postman and create. All right, here text area component also not exist. And apply create component UI, accept. Let's go to the category create page. Yes, create. Wow. Test, submit. Yes, next, add new. Wow, edit. Okay, update. Okay, go to update. Okay, delete. Okay, then go to post, create post, post, categories, create post. 10 character, must at least 10 character. Let's create. Wow, 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 wow. Yes, that's it.